9 foods to avoid for a healthy heart and better blood pressure. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the 9 foods that you should avoid for a healthy heart and better blood pressure. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and high blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. By making some simple changes to your diet, you can help lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of heart disease. So, let's dive in and take a look at the 9 foods that you should avoid for a healthy heart and better blood pressure. Number 1. Processed meats. First up, we have processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and deli meats are high in sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure and heart disease. Instead, opt for fresh meat or fish and season with herbs and spices instead of salt. Number 2. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Soda, energy drinks, and sports drinks are high in added sugars, which can lead to weight gain and increase your risk of heart disease. Instead, try drinking water, unsweetened tea, or fruit-infused water for a healthier option. Number 3. Salt. Salt is the next food to avoid. Consuming too much salt can raise blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Avoid adding salt to your meals and limit high-sodium foods such as canned soups, chips, and pretzels. Number 4. Trans fats. Trans fats are found in fried foods, baked goods, and some margarines and can raise your LDL cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Avoid these unhealthy fats by choosing healthier options such as grilled or baked foods. Number 5. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates are another food to avoid. Foods like white bread, pasta, and rice are high in refined carbohydrates that can raise blood sugar levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Instead, opt for whole grain options such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and whole grain bread. Number 6. Fried foods. Fried foods, such as French fries and fried chicken, are high in unhealthy fats that can raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Instead, try baking, grilling, or sautéing your foods for a healthier option. Number 7. Alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can raise your blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Limit your alcohol intake to no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Number 8. Canned foods. Many canned foods, such as soups and vegetables, are high in sodium, which can raise blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Look for low sodium or no salt added options when choosing canned foods. Number 9. Dairy products. Finally, full-fat dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, are high in saturated fats that can raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. Choose low-fat or non-fat options instead. So, there you have it, the 9 foods to avoid for a healthy heart and better blood pressure. By making these simple changes to your diet, you can help improve your heart health and reduce your risk of heart disease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on how to live a healthier life. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.